Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to mention a voice channel on Discord. So first, what you want to do is go to user settings, which can be seen on the gear icon right there. Once you're done with that, you just need to scroll down and go to advanced. Make sure that developer mode is turned on. So I have my developer mode turned on, so you just need to click on this button. Once you're done with that, go back and find the voice channel that you want to mention. So I'm gonna mention this, and you will see the copy channel ID once you have turned on the developer options or developer mode. So you make sure that you have turned it on to see this feature. So just need to copy that, paste it into the channel that you want to mention, and add a less than symbol right there for the angular bracket. Then add a hashtag symbol, and also add the greater than symbol also. And as you can see, the channel has been added here. So what you just need to do is click on enter, and I have now successfully mentioned the post channel. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.